Have you ever considered that the universe might be testing you? As we journey through life, we encounter various experiences, surprises and challenges. Some of these are delightful while others not so much. But what if these events are not random happenings? What if they're the universe's way of testing us, nudging us towards our true potential? This intriguing concept applies to all of us, regardless of our backgrounds, beliefs, or the paths we've trodden. It's a universal phenomenon that shapes our spiritual journey, guiding us towards enlightenment. Understanding these tests, these cosmic nudges, is paramount. Why? Because they help us grow, evolve, and ultimately unlock the secrets of our own existence. So, are you ready to decode these cosmic riddles? Are you prepared to embrace the challenges, learn from them, and evolve into the best version of yourself? Uncover the 6 vital signs that signal you're passing the universe's test. The first vital sign is awareness. This requires a deep-seated cognizance of oneself and the universe, a profound understanding that we're not separate but connected. With awareness, we can perceive the universe's messages and tests not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth and enlightenment. It's through this lens of consciousness that we begin to see life not as a series of problems but as a path of learning. Awareness, the first sign, paves the path to understanding the universe's test. Moving on, the second vital sign is acceptance. Acceptance is not about resignation or defeat, rather, it's about understanding that life's challenges are not obstacles but opportunities. They are the universe's tests, designed to foster growth, resilience, and spiritual enlightenment. It's about seeing things as they are, not as we wish them to be, and finding peace and wisdom in that. Embrace acceptance, and you'll unlock a deeper connection with the universe and yourself. Acceptance, the second sign, is the key to handling the universe's challenges. Next, we have the third vital sign, growth. It's a journey, not a destination, a continuous process that never ends. It's the universe's way of saying, keep going, keep evolving. Personal growth and development are not only vital, but integral in passing the universe's test. It's about expanding our horizons, learning new things, and becoming better versions of ourselves. It's about embracing change and making progress, no matter how small. Growth, the third sign, is the proof of passing the universe's tests. Now let's explore the final 3 vital signs: love, connection, and resilience. In the grand tapestry of life, love weaves the most vibrant threads. Love in all its forms is the essence of our existence, the driving force that propels us forward. It's more than just a fleeting emotion, it's a state of being, a force of nature that has the power to transform. When we love, we open ourselves to the universe, allowing it to guide us, shape us, and ultimately help us grow. But love doesn't exist in a vacuum. It thrives in connection, with ourselves, with others, and with the universe. Connection is the bridge that links our hearts to the world around us. It's through this connection that we learn to see beyond ourselves, to feel the pulsating energy of the universe, to understand our place within it. We are not solitary beings, but parts of a greater whole, interconnected and interdependent. And it's in this connection that we find our true selves and our true purpose. Yet life is not always a smooth sail. There will be storms, there will be trials. But it's in these moments of adversity that resilience comes into play. Resilience is not about avoiding the storm, but learning to dance in the rain. It's about standing tall in the face of adversity, bouncing back from setbacks and pushing forward, no matter how hard the journey gets. Resilience is the beacon of hope that guides us through the darkest nights, leading us towards the dawn of a new day. But remember, love, connection, and resilience are not separate entities, but 3 sides of the same triangle. They feed off each other, strengthen each other, and together they help us navigate the labyrinth of life. They remind us that we are not alone in our journey, that we are part of something much bigger, much grander than ourselves. Love, connection, and resilience, the final signs, are the pillars of a spiritual journey. So, to recap, the 6 vital signs are: awareness, the first sign, is the key that unlocks the door to the universe's test. It's about being present, being conscious of the world around us, and realizing that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Next, we have acceptance. It's about embracing the truth of our existence, accepting our strengths, our weaknesses, and our uniqueness. It's about making peace with who we are and where we are in this moment. The third sign is growth. It's about evolving, about learning and improving. It's about not being afraid to make mistakes, but seeing them as opportunities to grow and become better. Then we have love, the fourth sign. It's about embracing our fellow beings, about understanding and accepting them for who they are. It's about showing compassion and kindness even when it's hard. Connection, the fifth sign, is about understanding that we are all interconnected, that we are all part of the same universe. It's about feeling a sense of belonging and unity with everything around us. And finally, resilience, the sixth sign. It's about bouncing back from adversity, about staying strong in the face of challenges. It's about never giving up, no matter how tough the universe's test may be. These six vital signs are the keys to passing the universe's test and achieving spiritual enlightenment. Remember, the universe tests us not to break us, but to shape us. Embrace these six vital signs and you'll pass the test every time.